You are ready with your product, you're ready with your marketing side, but the logistics part, you still find it a bit of puzzle, right? So let's understand and simplify the international logistics for you. So IndiaPort is coming up with a workshop on international logistics and how to simplify that. It's not just about having a call with an agent and getting your shipment done. It is about the multiple companies involved in this complete process and how to nullify the extra premium that you're paying right now. Those extra 4 or 5% that you're paying to your logistics company, if it comes down to your profit margins, profits will increase and that export shipment will be a successful shipment. Logistics management is a very important side in terms of export import, and this workshop will cover not just about how to export but about how to select a logistics party, how to make sure your costs are reduced while you are maintaining the quality of your shipment. It's not just about agents, it is about MTOs, NUCC, shipping line, and many other stakeholders in this complete logistics ecosystem. So join us if you are interested to understand the international logistics. Also, what are the places involved in export import in terms of logistics?